Hi, this is Adrienne with Swift Galleries. I wanted to show you really quickly how you can tell the size of a gallery. So if you don't have a room photo of your clients and you are concerned that the stock room photos aren't representative of the furniture that your clients have, what you can do is when you go in and have a full gallery, all you need to do is click on any of the products, and it's going to bring up, first it's going to outline everything in the collection, in the gallery, and then over here you have your gallery details. This tells you the total gallery size. That does include like the spacing. It basically takes a measurement of edge to edge one way and edge to edge another way. So it's saying that the total gallery size is 12.56 by 51.98 inches. So again, if you have a client who doesn't have a picture that they can give you of their room, and you don't want to use just a general measurement, like visual measurement of, like it's going to be over a couch, so this will fit because this is a picture of a couch. You can click on the gallery, just click one time so everything is selected, and then you can see the total gallery size to make sure that it fits. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm always happy to help. You can send me an email at hello@swiftgalleries.com. When you're in the Swift Galleries app, or if you are a monthly or yearly subscriber and you are in the Path to Printmaker course, you'll see this chat over here. The chat goes to me as well. I'm always happy to help. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.